Hey guys, welcome back to Tay's Diary. Today I'll be showing you how to create a video thumbnail for your YouTube channel using Canva. So Canva is basically a graphic design tool website that allows you to pretty much create beautiful professional looking graphics. It is free to use, however they do offer a premium feature. So if you see a thumbnail that you like that has like the dollar symbol next to it, obviously that's a premium feature and you would pay for it. You can also download Canva to your smart device. So I had it downloaded on my iPhone and my iPad, and you can still use it that way. It's just on a smaller screen. If you don't already have an account, you can just sign up for one for free and go through that process. So yeah, I'm using my sister's account because, you know, she loves me that much. So we pretty much share things with each other we feel like would be useful. So here I am on the home screen of Canva. So what I'm going to do is type in thumbnail, and then you see it pops up right here, YouTube video thumbnail. It already, you know, sizes it to the correct size. If you want to play with it, you can resize it. Now, this used to be a free feature like last week, and then like, I don't know, maybe a day or two later when I came back on and I went to resize something that I was working on, I had to pay for it. So I didn't. I had to just go back and do a custom size graphic. I'll show you how to do that in another video. So let's get started, okay? Let's say you're working on, I don't know, here we go. This is an easy one, a skincare routine. Okay, so they have templates for you. You can browse them to get started. So if you kind of have like a creative block and you don't know which way to really go, you can use a template. At some point, I suggest that you kind of stray away from that because you want to, you know, be different and you want your things to be seen and branded to you. So let's go just get started with this template. Okay, so you see like this one, it has the watermark background. What I normally do, so I was working on a hair video thumbnail, so I would just actually delete that. You can come here, the elements, and you can do a grid. So this is how you would organize your thumbnail, right? So let's say I wanted to just do a, how did I do the last one? Let's just do something like this. Okay, so here's the layout for it, and if you need to upload a graphic that's on your desktop, you can do that as well to use. They also have free photos and images, so let's just search if you wanted to use an image here. It's kind of broad, so it'll pretty much give you a lot of things. But if it's something that you're using specifically for your video, you can take a picture of it with your camera, your phone, and email it to yourself, download it to your desktop, and then upload it. So I'll just do that. So my images are already here, some of them, like a lot of things that me and my sister was working on. So this goes here. I will put it in there, right? And then, if I wanted to move it, I would just double click it and kind of drag it inside, click done, and then I would do the other picture like so and kind of drag that down, hit done. And here you can put your text box or whatever you wanted to put over there. So if I wanted to fill that with something, I could just do a color block and then drag it to meet, and then you can kind of just, you can see that. And then for the position, I'm going to send it all the way, no, I want to send it backwards, like send it back a layer. Well, if you send it all the way back, you saw it would basically be underneath the template. So then what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually change the color. You can play with the transparency here. So if you want it to be a little lighter, you can, or whatever. If you do, you see it'll still show that. Because I have like a certain color going, you can also change that if you want. I think I may do that. So if you want to delete something, you can just click on it and delete it. Do that. You can kind of like drag it, not like super big, but it's kind of outside of the page here. That's fine. It won't show up when you download it. So let's go to the text. So under the text, there's text boxes that you can use as you know, a template as well. So they have like matching fonts paired, I guess you can say. So you can go through and find something that you want. If you don't, you can go here. You can click add a heading. So it'll give you the heading font, a subheading, and then, you know, the body text. I will just delete that. I really like this font. I like this one. And I really like this one. So I'll do this. Hello. Is it working? Hello, hello, are you there? Okay, well, let's send this back. What in the heck? Where did the text go? There it is. Okay. If you want to ungroup it, that means, you know, break the text boxes apart. You can do that as well. So I'm just going to delete this whole group because it's on there twice. And let's just slide this over. It says Merry Christmas, but obviously it's not Christmas. This is going to be like, I don't know, a hair tutorial. So I'll just do updated hair wash routine. I'm just going to ungroup this because I want to move this box down here. See, it moves so it's separated. Let's do tear free. No crying. Easy wash routine. Okay, something like that. All right, so I will just press enter to kind of stack it. It's already centered. That's already centered. I'll just add this here. Okay, if you wanted to add more graphics, you can. So like for here, if I wanted to search for an icon or something, I would. You can also just search in the elements for whatever it is that you're looking for. So let's just say I'm looking for a comb. You see, and then a comb comes up. So as you can see here, some of these are premium. So I'm just going to go with the free one. I'm going to use that. It's kind of big, but what I'm going to do is actually make it smaller, drag the corner, and then I'm going to rotate it. If you wanted to flip it, you can just come up here, flip vertical, oops, sorry, horizontal, so that it flips, you know, up and down. If you wanted to flip vertical, left to right, then you would just do that. And then I'm going to add blow dryer because, yeah, I mean, it's a hair tutorial video. See, that's big as well. So we're going to just make that smaller. And I'm going to flip this. What the heck? It changed that way. Sometimes you have to play with it. That's okay. I guess it's how when the image is first placed, then you would kind of, you know, play with it and go from there. I kind of want to make this the same size, so I'll make it a little bigger. Now Canva has these really cool guidelines, or ruler lines I guess you can kind of go by, to kind of line up your images so that, you know, if you're going to have them at the bottom, at least they can be lined up perfectly. You can just use the lines as a guide. So you see right here in the middle, right underneath the position arrow. So I would just kind of do that. I would definitely change the color here. So I've been using Canva for a while, like for other random things, and you can type in a color that you're looking for and it'll pull up like different color schemes to kind of make it easier. So if I typed in purple, so you have, you know, different color schemes that has the color purple in there. If I wanted to do hot pink, there's something in there as well. If you have your own color scheme, you can also add that. You would just come here, click on the color. Oh, actually, click add another palette, but that's a premium feature now. It used to be free. Now it's yeah, premium. You have to pay for that. So you would just come here. That's why we have all of these different palettes here, because it was free. It's a free feature. So I would use, as a little trick, the lighter color will be like the small line. So I would just use like light purple there, light purple here, and then I will go back and I will probably use this pink and or something like that. Kind of make it fun. Use whatever color that you want. Kind of, you know, make it match. And then there you go. Let's just close that. So you have your finished thumbnail. What you can do is you go up here, you can save it as whatever you want. So whenever you come back to it, you know what it is. So I'll just do hair wash thumbnail. Actually, hair wash YouTube thumbnail. Okay. You can share it with somebody you want that, like, you know, seeking their opinion. You can do that as well. You can download it here. I just come here and I click download. You can choose different types. It's really like pouring down raining outside. I live in Florida, and during the summertime it's really rainy. So I think we finally crossed over. Like, it's been really hot, so now it's about to start raining a lot more. Okay, so you can save it as a PDF, print, standard, the JPEG or a PNG file. I just save it as this, then click download. See, and you have an option to try the Canva Pro free. That's where you get all of the premium features free for 30 days, and after that, you know, you would pay for that. I normally just click X, just X out, and then I save this in a special folder on my desktop. See, I download, and then I just save it to YouTube. And then there you go. So whenever you get to upload it on your channel, after you upload video, there's a section where you can upload your custom thumbnail. Then, you know, you will go through that process and upload it from there. Anyway, I hope you found this, you know, easy walkthrough tutorial, kind of simple, especially for those of you who are just starting out. This is a really great free tool to use. Also, if you like the video, be sure to hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions. Also, if you like, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss any videos from moi. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.